Yeah, George is here. Hi, George. Yeah. Who? Manila. No, in Manila is like a tropical place, like in Miami. If you know the weather in Miami, it's almost the same.
It's always hot there, but does it like ever get like a little cold? Like you ever wear a sweater?
Well, during month of December, sometimes it's a little bit cold, but not all the time, you know.
Like how cold? How is this?
No, it's not like this. It's totally different. Yeah. I like your car, George. Wow, it's beautiful. I believe this is very expensive car. It's a sports car, you know. This is George. I prepare food for Sammy, but Sammy is always in a Hudson bedroom. Yeah. And then this lunch, we went out also, just back and forth on the street. This is handsome George. Maybe the women in Philippines, if they see you there, a lot of people, who's that guy? Yeah, but I think George is not available anymore. Do you have girlfriend, George? No. Okay, ladies, it's your time. This is your chance. George live here in New Jersey. Yeah. Still single and available. Yeah. I think your mom is coming back tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow, no, the day after tomorrow, I'm going back to Connecticut. Yeah, with my dad, because we expect our family from Miami, Florida. Yeah, they're coming to visit to my dad. Yeah, that's why we need to go back to Connecticut, and on the next Sunday we're not able to come here.
When do you guys go back to the Philippines?
On March 7.
Oh, so that's a lot.
Yeah, so we have more, we still have more time. Yeah, actually, since we came here, we don't have chance to go to Times Square. So yeah. Because,
it's just for tourists.
actually my dad, he has a plan to buy some souvenirs or remembrance that they can give
Yeah,
to.
there's this place, like you should go, but like it's really crowded.
Yeah.
That's where everyone wants to go. That's not. But there's like other places too.
Okay, George, thank you for the ride. This is George. Okay, yeah. It's hard to get up. Yeah, that's hey, sports car. Oh? Wow. Okay, guys, I'm here.